Wednesday, August 6th, 2014, Hawaii, Maui. It is 2 o'clock p.m. We are on the National Weather Service Central Pacific Hurricane Center website at 11 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Center of Hurricane Iselle is 620 miles east-southeast of Hilo and 730 miles east-southeast of Kaului. Okay. We're out here in Lahaina, which is about 15-20 miles of Kaului west, so let's say 750 miles east-southeast of Lahaina. Alright? And at 11 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time, Hurricane Julio is located 1,645 miles east-southeast of Kaului, which makes it 1,670 miles east-southeast of Lahaina. Okay, this is the day before said storm is supposed to hit. Tomorrow night, Maui, tomorrow day, Big Island, and it is projected to be kind of a direct hit to all the islands. Let me pull up a loop if I can find it. So this is the map. As you can see, this is where it is 11 a.m. Wednesday. This is where it's supposed to be 8 a.m. Thursday, right here. 8 a.m. Friday, 8 a.m. Saturday. So about Thursday, Friday, maybe even Saturday, we'll be getting super nuts rain, along with at least 35-mile-an-hour winds. At least. Some people don't even drive 35 miles out here. So at least 35 miles. This is Imaya. Say hi, Imaya. Say hi. Okay, this is us before the storms. Okay, so this is Hurricane Iselle. Now let's take a look at Hurricane Julio. So this is just another quick picture. Hurricane Iselle here. Hurricane Julio here. Hurricane Julio almost has the same exact path as Iselle, but goes more north of the Hawaiian Islands on the north side, whereas Iselle will travel more south of the Hawaiian Islands. But since the storm is about 70 to 80 miles wide, so about 30 to 40 miles outwards from the center of the storm, it'll pretty much hit us no matter what, where the eye goes or where the center of the storm is, because the outskirts will pretty much catch us as well. So I will try to get another video tomorrow day to see what it looks like. Let's also walk outside. I'll show you what it is. It's pretty sunny out here. Alright, got cats running across the street, people driving down the street, everybody's all nuts going really over here. But it's a beautiful sunny day. Got the Coast Guard plane. I don't know if you can see that up there. It's flying low pass. Hopefully nobody's missing right now. But that's the Coast Guard plane C-130. But it's blue skies, light winds about 5-10 miles an hour. Cleaned up the yard, had everything batted down, everything's up in storage. Gonna be covering the car soon, so we will keep you updated on what is to become of Iselle and Julio this weekend. Aloha. Say bye.
Bye. morning radio show on his old station here in New York, and so there was this weird little competition.
10:07 a.m.
Successful at morning radio, and he would make little digs
as of 8 o'clock this morning, Hawaii Standard Time. 245 miles east-southeast of Hilo, Hurricane Iselle. This is the forecasted path. Try to zoom in. So it's supposed to be a hurricane when it hits Big Island, but in the next couple hours, the outskirts are kind of hitting it already. And they're saying it's supposed to be a tropical storm once it gets to the other islands. Here's a loop, and you can see the outskirts. They're hitting Big Island. Say good morning, Imaya.
Good morning,
And yep, it's a hurricane. Said wind speeds are still in excess of 74 miles an hour, which is a hurricane category 1, with gusts going up to 90. And we're gonna go take a ride down the beach, see what the beach looks like here in Lahaina. So check it out. Alright guys, this is down the beach. A little bit past 10, almost 10:30. Water's still kind of nice and calm. Wind has already picked up. It's blowing about 20-25 right now. Behind me, West Maui Mountains getting rained on. Just talked to somebody from Wailuku. It's getting poured on in Wailuku and Kalui. Winds are super strong on the outside already, maybe about half a mile out. I'd say about 30 miles an hour. These guys are still operating jet skis out there. Crazy guys. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now. Maybe in a couple hours it'll be different. So, alright, aloha. So this is Mala Wharf, right in front of Lahaina. As you can see, still got some boats out on their moorings. Pretty much all of the bigger boats are gone. Usually we got a couple of big boats right out here, pretty much gone. Trying to take a ride down to the ramp itself. Looks like they took the canoe out of the water. So I can see we're approaching Mala Boat Ramp. Got some guys taking their boats out of the water. Just be prepared. This is sick boat. As you can see the rain coming from the mountains right now. Got the double hull coming over the head. Yeah, water's getting a little bit more rough. Yep, on a boat ramp. So there's a Kaula stream, or whatever they call it. It's a big storm rain-off drainage. Expect to be brown water by the time we get done with the storm. This whole place will be brown water. We'll see if there's any damage after this. But you can kind of see the waves are supposed to be 10 to 15 feet on this side of the island by tomorrow because of the storm surge. But as you can see, brand new canoe they launched not even a month ago. It's sitting right there. Had to take it out of the water. They got $18,000 sales. They didn't want to sail it into the storm, so they took it out of the water, and hopefully it survives right there on dry land. So this is the mountain view of Lahaina, Luna. You can't even see the L on the mountain. We're already getting a little bit of rain. Don't know if it's just actually from the storm, but it looks like it. This is just the beginning, so keep you updated with some more. This is the Kaumakai Stream Bridge down by Lahaina Cannery Mall. Not even a little bit of water coming down right now. Maybe in the next couple hours this place will be flowing with water, and probably by the time the storm hits, this place will be engulfed with water. So alright.